Welcome back to TechGetter Official. In today's video, we'll learn how to download apps on your laptop using 3 simple and effective methods. The first method is through Google Play Store. Start by opening Google Chrome. Click on the 3 dots in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, find and click on Play. This will open the Google Play Store in your browser. Now, click on the Apps tab, then use the search bar to type the app you want. For example, WhatsApp. Once the app appears, click on it, then click on the Install button. It will begin downloading. You can see on desktop screen. The second method is through Google Search. Open Google Chrome, and in the search bar, type something like WhatsApp. From the search results, click on the official WhatsApp website. Always avoid third-party links. On the official page, you'll see a clear download button. Click it, and your download will start instantly. The third method is through Microsoft Store. Click on the search bar on your desktop and type Microsoft Store, then open it. Click on the Apps category, then use the search bar to find WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp from the results, then press the Get button. It will begin downloading and install automatically. Once it finishes, click on Open and log in with your mobile number, just like the mobile version. And that's it. These are the 3 best and easiest ways to download apps like WhatsApp on your Windows laptop in 2025. Try any method that suits you best. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.